What's up, y'all? We're chilling here at HasFit Elite Personal Training. These are some good friends of mine that work here, and I have a good guy, his name's Zach, bodybuilding champion, who's been training me over the last couple of weeks. So today I just kind of wanted to get you guys in on my life and what I've been doing for my personal, health as well. So you got to make sure that you're good with it. You got to do low intensity cardio. Otherwise, when you do cardio, it's gonna burn the food that you ate. You want to do just enough cardio where you can feel your body go. At that point, you know that your heart rate's going up. So the extended time period of you doing this type of cardio will just burn the calories. This leaves your muscles open to absorb the nutrients that your body has. Like the food that you eat, right? The protein, the carbs, you want all of that to go to the muscle. When you're doing intense cardio and you're running really, really fast, what happens is your cardio burns the nutrients. That nutrients, you want it to go into your muscle, not get burned. So low intensity cardio is key when it comes to bodybuilding. I got like a year and 6 months left of training before I hop on a stage in a Speedo. I'm excited.
Today's chest day, so we're going to start by warming up the shoulders a little bit. Yeah, same thing, 10 reps. Started off with 15 for a warm-up. Our second warm-up was 12, and now we're going to start going to our 10 rep sets. All right, strength sets, and we're going to progressively go up from there, 20% every time he can hit 10. So we're trying to get somewhere into that 8 to 12 rep range. 10 would be the working number. Since we didn't get that, we're going to pyramid back down, and we're going to go to 135, and we'll continue. We'll start getting burnout sets with these last reps. And we call this a stretch and feel technique. We're gonna stretch out the fascia of the chest, of the upper chest, and then we're gonna come over here and we're gonna use a compound movement to fill it up with blood and get a good pump. Okay, so this should increase the size of the chest out and up, all right? Come on. On that exercise, as we start to come up, is that to prevent from that movement coming from the back. We don't want to have a back extension lifting the weight up. We want to hold the body neutral and bring it up with our chest. of guys think that they're gonna get bigger arms just strictly working their biceps over and over. They wanna do this and they wanna have big biceps, right? But your tricep makes up 70% of your arm. So if you want a big bench press, if you want big arms, triceps are necessary almost to work them, you know, maybe twice as much as you work your biceps. Yeah, very important for arm size, very important for pushing strength.
For everybody that's watching this, since this is like a relaxation part of what we're doing, you got to be humble enough to know when you don't know everything. You know what I'm saying? And so like, if that means investing in a mentor or a coach or a trainer so that you can get the education that you need, 1000% you absolutely have to fucking do that, because otherwise you're gonna just rely on making mistakes, right? You don't build something extremely amazing on mistakes. So like, my mentor used to tell me this, he said, Q, you're a fool if you learn from your own mistakes. Why did you hire me as your mentor? To learn from my mistakes. So why are you making mistakes? Learn from my mistakes, you know what I'm saying? So, you know, with Zach here, he's taught me how to grip the bar. He's taught me how to structure my posture, how to lift things correctly. And I have more leg strength now than I've ever had in my entire life. I can do backflips and shit now, and it's pretty great, you know? So, you know, just be humble enough to know when you need help, and don't be afraid to invest, you know? So I highly recommend Zach. If you guys come here to Has Fit Personal Training here in San Antonio, this is the guy that you gotta talk to. So I'll see you guys on the next video.